This is a Serger Merrittlock 14U44 estate find mint in original box. I have taken it out of the box so I can show you that it indeed does work. As you can see, the foot pedal is still wrapped in plastic. The power cord is still wrapped with a twist tie. It's all still set up with the original spools of thread. The factory fabric sample is still under the foot. And I'm going to try to get it. I don't really know how to use a serger. I'm going to try to turn the fabric around here and show you that it works. Light on. And we'll push the pedal and we'll see what happens. And there it is. It just did the edge. Like I said, I don't really know how to use this, but I can trudge along. Put it up under the foot. Let's do it again. There you go, it works. Just did those two edges. Of course, I'm holding the camera, so I couldn't hold the fabric, but you can see it works. And that's from the factory there, the little chain. But that is the Serger Merrittlock 14U44 with original box, instruction manual. It comes with a bonus like mini mender. It is complete.